Durant, his jumper, that's good, a three-pointer.
So good at going downhill.
Nice pass, Pachulia and Draymond Green. Nick Young takes a contested shot, drills. Durant with a quick.
Technicals are down and objections are down. But why do officials take so much?
That one was halfway down. Durant to Curry. Curry for three.
The offensive board after they switch.
Pass ahead. Durant lost his sneaker, gets it in the green. He's fouled and one. He was talking about that today, and he said they've got to start playing more like a real basketball game. As Chris Paul, he's the game's leading scorer. Nick Young, that's a three. Young steps back, good fake, again, Nick Young. And again, Draymond Green giving the three, tries it again, nails it again. Back-to-back threes for Draymond Green.